Atlas Foundry in Marion, Indiana is a great iron caster with a long and proud history. It's also taken steps to assure it has a future by investing heavily in its facility. Atlas also has developed an interesting and memorable niche, casting seat sides for American seating. The first stadium to have the sides installed was the Texas Rangers ballpark in Arlington, and since then Atlas work has been found in major NFL stadiums, MLB ballparks, NHL and NBA arenas, and even high school facilities like La Jolla ISD Stadium in La Jolla, Texas. The seat sides are about 10% of Atlas's business, and the facility also produces hydraulic parts, pump housings, wheels and hubs, exhaust manifolds, and other products.